Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Right for the Stores, founder of Self Cut System, and this is my good friend Celestino, aka the Bardis. And today we're gonna talk about why you shouldn't buy cheap clippers. So let's start.
Hey, but before we talk about why, we should also give them the chance to win the retro kit.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, so we're doing a free giveaway, and all you have to do is just tag 3 friends and make sure to follow us at Self Cut System.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave the link to the Instagram post, or you could go to our Instagram and go to this post, and all you have to do is tag 3 friends in the comment and make sure that you're following us on Instagram as well.
Yes, right. And we will announce the winner every Friday. The end of the week, every Friday.
Okay.
For the rest of the year.
Okay. Let's go.
All right, cool. So going back to the topic is, why people shouldn't buy cheap clippers. One is they don't last that long.
Okay.
Second is it doesn't really cut as well.
Right.
And third is that it could easily discourage you.
Definitely.
From cutting your own hair. You know. So going back to the first reason. So how long does this cheap clippers last?
They don't really last the way that you think it does. They actually do come like defaulted already. They don't come up to performance levels. So in terms of the durability, maybe you get like a year out of it.
Oh, yeah, a few months to a year. A few months to a year, depending on how often you use it.
Right.
But we can personally guarantee you, once you buy a cheap clipper like this from Walmart or CVS, you're gonna get another set, and you're gonna spend another 30, 40, or even $50. So which means that in less than 2 years, you're gonna spend about $100.
Yeah.
Give or take, right? So again, it doesn't last that long. Second is talking about the cutting performance.
Yeah, the performance is very subpar. So you might be thinking that it's your fault. You know, you're making the mistake in terms of maybe giving yourself a lineup or the fade. Yeah. But in actuality, it's not giving you the right precision. It's not giving you that 0. It's not giving you that 1.5 or that half. True. So you're basically trying to fade with a defaulted mechanism, a defaulted clipper. Yeah. It's not working. It's not you. It's the clipper.
And we're gonna show you guys. Check it out. Seeing is believing, right? We're not making this up. So we just opened up this bad boy, this wall clipper and trimmer. We got it from, I believe, in CVS for like $35, $40, and it comes with the cordless clipper. As you can see, guys, it's 2021. Everything nowadays is cordless. So, you know, we put this away. And if you look at their trimmer, even though it's not corded, it's not corded, it's cordless. But cordless requires battery, guys. Batteries. You need a AA batteries for this. And what's so crazy about it is that there's no batteries inside of this bag, which means that I gotta go look around for freaking damn batteries in my house, or go back to CVS and buy myself a set of batteries, which is very, very inconvenient. And also, if you look at the blade of the trimmer, it's not as close, or this is not a 0 gap. This is like a 1 gap. This is not a 0 gap, which means that you're not gonna get that barbershop quality lineup on yourself, which is gonna make you feel discouraged. That's the third reason why. It all starts with the tools that you use when you're first cutting your own hair. So this and this gotta go. Even though, yes, this cuts, but again, it's not gonna last you that long, especially if you want that barbershop quality haircut.
Yeah.
So that's why we highly recommend for you to check out the Self Cut System Lambo clipper. And what's so great about this clipper is that, if you want to talk about the external components of it, is that it has the chrome plated that matches our black Lambo mirror in our heaven lights. And also, if you look underneath here, there's a grip where you could easily move the clipper around when cutting your own hair. And if you look at the blade, it's very similar to Wall Senior's, but very similar, but yet different. because when you act, the only difference between our clipper and the other clippers out there is that the technology built in inside of the motor of our clipper. I just did a self-cut tutorial video, and when you actually watch the video, you could hear when I'm cutting my own hair, you could hear that crunching noise. That crunching noise is like music to my ears because I know it is cutting my hair precisely. So guys, make sure to check the clipper out and also the trimmer, which you guys are gonna be so surprised and impressed because not only is it lightweight and it has the slick look to it, but as soon as you turn it on and you start edging yourself up, you'll be like, oh my God, what have I done? It's so effortless that you feel like you're lighting yourself with your own pinky. That's how light it is, guys. Okay? This is how light the trimmer is.
Yeah.
Would you agree?
Yes, and I used it for the first time a couple of days ago.
On your beard, right?
On my beard.
Yep.
And usually when you're shaping yourself up with a liner, right, that is too sharp, you're gonna end up with razor bumps and you're gonna end up with lines from the blade. This, it just felt like a light massage, but then when you look in the mirror, it's cutting the way that it's supposed to cut. Very close, very precise, very professional.
And doesn't leave you red marks on your head, on your forehead. Like there's most of the trimmers out there.
Yeah, it's a myth. It's a myth that, you know, your blade is supposed to feel sharp. It's not. It's supposed to just cut very close and precise.
Yeah, listen, even though we call it a self-cut system finisher because it finished the haircut. Yeah, and finishes. We should call it the effortless trimmer. The effortless trimmer. Man, I'm hyping myself up with our clippers. So guys, yeah, our clippers is available directly on our website, selfcutsystem.com. Use our promo code WELCOME10 to get a 10% discount on all our products. So, you know, if you guys have any more questions, anything, any concerns, you know, just make sure to comment below. And you know, we'll get back to you or pretty much do another video.
Yeah, for sure. And then don't forget, you know, if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure to follow the Instagram post that's going to be linked in the description box below. Tag 3 friends and make sure you're following us on Instagram. And is that it for the video?
Yeah,
that's it, guys. Don't forget to go on selfcutsystem.com, copy your retro kit, and you gonna be
fresh all year round. All right, guys. See you guys soon.